Here I have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly you have to select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap start. Then you can connect to the mobile network by inserting SIM card, but if you don't have it, you can just skip this step. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have Google services, just disable all ticks here and accept Google terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up fingerprint, but you can also skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable privacy controls, push notifications, but it's not essential. But what is essential is accepting user agreement and privacy policy. Oh god, what? Wow, so epic. Whoa, I almost died out of cringe. Long press triggers. What triggers? What are you talking about? Wow, so cool. Unbelievable. Okay, next. So you had the tutorial how you can enable Lenovo something. Then you have to select theme. You have gaming theme or Google theme. So basically you have the black theme for boys and pink theme for girls. Okay, tap next. Then what you have to do next is, and that's it. Your device is ready to be used. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.